If your HP laptop touchpad is not working and you can't move the mouse cursor, this guide will help you fix the problem. Follow these steps carefully until the issue is solved. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. If the touchpad is completely unresponsive, you may need to connect an external mouse to follow these steps. In Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left side. Then scroll down and click on Touchpad. Make sure the Touchpad option is turned on. Also expand the settings and ensure that Leave Touchpad On when a mouse is connected is enabled. After that, close the window and check if the touchpad starts working. If the problem continues, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager, then open it. Find Human Interface Devices and click the arrow to expand it. Locate your touchpad device in the list, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Next, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose HID Compliant Touchpad and click Next to install the driver. If the touchpad still does not work, there is one more solution. Many laptops allow you to enable or disable the touchpad using a keyboard shortcut. Usually, you need to press the FN key together with one of the F keys that has a touchpad icon. For example, on some laptops, it might be FN plus F6, but on others, it could be FN plus F5, FN plus F7, or FN plus F11. Press the correct key combination to turn the touchpad on.